We now have this internet of value. We're moving into a world where value, money, payments is moving like information already does on the internet. And that's a big deal because until now, the world is sort of a lot of siloed payment networks, country by country, or Visa to M-Pesa. They don't talk to each other. And because they don't talk to each other, everybody suffers, from the poorest working class, underbanked consumer, to the thriving small business, to the biggest global corporation. They're all paying a very steep price because our world of money and payments is not interoperating, is not working as one. And we now have new technologies, whether you call them blockchain or distributed ledgers or whatever we call them. Bottom line is, this is the beginning of an internet of value, where value will be able to move like information, where it will move instantly, basically for free, as a free infrastructure, and that's a good thing. That now provides access to people, whether they're in, growing economies in Africa, or in the rich countries in Europe and the U.S., or in China. It will give them more value that they can use for their families because they will get better access to the global economy. They're simply going to be taxed less from the friction that we've had in the past. And then kind of looking forward, I think you really see this almost futuristic world where, here at Davos they're talking about Internet of Things. Well, now layer on this Internet of Things, these billions of cars, devices being connected. Now suddenly they're also commerce connected. So things are buying, selling, keeping money. You can imagine the self-driving car that's paying an ambitious coder in Kenya to upgrade its self-driving systems. It's paying some embedded device in the road here in Davos to use the road, and it's collecting money from consumers or maybe even other things that might want to hitch a ride in that self-driving car. So suddenly now you could argue that billions and billions of new economic participants have arrived on Earth.